Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your web services with NGINX step by step clearly. Begin by installing NGINX on your server. Use the package manager appropriate for your operating system. For Ubuntu, run the command sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install NGINX. For CentOS, use sudo yum install NGINX after updating your system. Once installed, start the NGINX service using sudo system to start NGINX. Ensure that NGINX loads on boot with sudo system to enable NGINX. Next, check that NGINX is running properly by entering your server's IP address in a web browser. You should see the default NGINX landing page. Now, secure your web services by configuring SSL. Obtain an SSL certificate via Let's Encrypt for free, using the certbot tool. Install certbot using your package manager if it's not already installed. On Ubuntu, run sudo apt install certbot python 3 certbot NGINX. For CentOS, use sudo yum install certbot python 2 certbot NGINX. Once installed, run the command sudo certbot NGINX to automatically obtain and configure SSL. Follow the prompts to enter your email and select the domain for which you want to secure the certificate. After successful setup, certbot will automatically adjust your NGINX config. To enhance security, open the NGINX configuration file located at /etc/NGINX/sites available/default. Add security headers such as add_header x content type options nosnif. Include add_header x XSS protection 1 mode equals block for protection against cross-site scripting. Configure that add_header strict transport security max age equals 315360000. Include subdomains always, header to enforce HTTPS. Next, set up rate limiting to protect against DDoS attacks. Within the server block in your configuration file, add limit_req_zone $binary_remote_address zone equals 1 to 10 m rate equals 1 or /s. Then, implement the limit with limit_req zone equals 1 burst equals 5. Test your configuration for syntax errors using sudo NGINX-t. If everything checks out, restart NGINX to apply the changes with sudo system to restart NGINX. Regularly update your SSL certificates using the command sudo certbot renew. Finally, monitor your web services for unusual activity. Utilize tools like fail2ban to block suspicious IP addresses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.